You kick and then I'll kick.
Okay.
You kick.
In my way is happening this, bro. I'm just came to school on my way. This happened, so I'm trying to fix this, okay? I check it out, 1, 2. It's right there. God damn, bro. That's emergencies, so you don't have to be calling to toll. So that's you gonna fix. If you have like those stuff, like those, you can do by yourself. It's happening like that. It's quickly. It can be done. You don't have to pay like $100 or $80 for toll. You can fix by yourself and take it out. You have to know like those stuff. Everybody's driving car, so you have to know. If you don't know this, you're nothing. So why would you drive the car if you don't know how to turn like those stuff? Oh my god. Shit. This area is not like flat. It's buff, so like I can't make it. Like it's weird. It's not flat, so he's standing like this. It stay like this is better, but it's not flat. Not give up, okay? I'm trying to fix to go. If I didn't fix this shit, I'm going not driving like 1 month. I gave myself punish, so I'm going not driving no more car if I didn't fix this. This shit is playing me, bro. Oh my gosh. You're killing me? I need to the junkyard, the big one, so I can do well with this shit. It's keeping calm, bro. Come on, man. Don't come out now. Please don't come out, okay? I've been trying, bro. Okay. Bro, it's the middle of the road. It's happening like that. It's weird. Something's poking. It's rib. It's a big hole. What do you mean it's a hole? It's a big, like, rib. It's rib. Oh shit, bro. I'm tired. I just wake up. I got it back, I don't know, in the morning. Year 2021, it's happening like this. I just like I came to different state on my highway. It's like it's night, bro. It's boom, the third. So the police they came, they're trying to help me, but he don't have a nothing tool. So he said he's gonna call for tow. The tow company they came, but the guy he couldn't fix the tire shit, bro. Just he trying to pick it up my car. He's gonna take it, but I said no. Just give it your tools so I can fix myself. And I just like it's right now I did the same thing I do. I was just do it. I fix it, but at that time, so he got it the junkier, the big one. So I do like boom, 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 boom. It's shit. It's done. It's working. But this shit is getting a little bit weird and it's stupid. So you have to do it. Oh no, oh my shit. That's the third time, bro. It's now almost, I just saying like I'm done, but it's happening. Like how come to that? God damn. It's so hot. I get it. Maybe my knees. Now I believe it's gonna be okay. So, damn, bro, it's a big hole. God damn. Got it up. Yep, that's cool. I got it. So stay tuned with me until then, so you can see. And next time it's happening. Oh, but it's not going to happen. But so when you drive car, it's gonna happen like those sometimes. So look at it. Look at it. This whole shit, bro. See? I'm safe, but it's happening there, bro. You can see the house right there, bro. This. I'm safe. I'm lucky, bro. For real though, I'm lucky. It's so tight.
Hey,
Yeah.
you okay?
Huh?
doing okay?
Yeah, I was just trying to take out this, but it's stuck. I don't have the hammer, so that's why. Do you have the hammer?
No, I haven't. Like, you kick and then I'll kick.
Okay.
Kick.
Just like, can you give me right to school?
The school?
Yeah. So I'm gonna bring the hammer and I'm gonna fix it. I'm an automotive part. So
Yeah.
let me put it up.
A few moments later.
Finally, I made it. Shit. See right there, this shit. I take it out. For this, the big rip, bro. I take it out. And I put it new. So, bro, this small shit is taking it out. You see, this plug on is everything. I take it out. Thus, I'm gonna drive to mechanic place at my shop so I can fix all stuff. I take it out in this way too. These all books. This I'm gonna leave it here. This all of them for automotive book. Like those stuff. So I can do it later. Well, I made it. It's look like this, bro. It's break my pamper too even. See? So this I can fix like I have to tie it up from here bottom. You can tell from here, so I can tie it up. It's right there, big hole, bro. Now no more needed this. My camera is broke, so you couldn't see well. The early I dropped in the floor, so this broke iPhone 13 camera, bro. I just buy it though. So I have to change this bad karma. I just came to school. My teacher, he was just like first day of school, but people, all of them left. I came, I found my teacher, so he just give, see, like those stuff. I think AC class, this whole bunch of like just for today. This whole bunch, this all. Just I missed like only 1 hour. They learned that all. Now I have to do this, all of them. God damn, bro. I don't get it. This all for 1 day. I got a big homework today, bro. That's why I hate to missing school. Only if you miss 1 day, they're gonna give you 1,000,000, bro. Anyway, so I have those, so I'm gonna learn. I have to do so many stuff. Even I'm gonna fix my car, and I got it closed. My camera, you couldn't see, bro. Look, the writing doesn't look shiny, but here he just gave me this all. I'm gonna do those stuff. Okay, even though I buy this for safety tire, so you couldn't go pay by gas station, or you couldn't go anywhere, so you just this tire low, you can do it. See, I got this. You can pump for ball and for bike. See, any kind of ball, basketball, football, or volleyball tire. I got that new. I get a new this. When I done the car tire, everything, so I'm gonna show it to you guys. So everything, that emergency tire. So I'm gonna order now. I'm gonna put it in the garage, and so I'm gonna take for school computer. I'm gonna order. They're gonna bring for me, so I'm gonna do it my tire. So I just think like to mine. I wanna change the use it tire, and just new. I just changed 4 of them. I didn't drive like that much. I just drive like 3 months, and boom, 1 tire. So the 3 of them is new, so if I bring the use it, it's okay, but I have to switch it up. So the passenger is broke the tire, so it's a flat, so I have to switch the back to in front, so I have to change those 2, so I can be driver. The cars mostly need the front, because has an engine. The engine is too heavy, so it can, the good tire, the new tire, supposed to be in the front, so they can hold good for the engine. For the back side, you can put it all too. It's okay. Yeah. I'll see you there. The shop's right there, so I'm gonna do it. That's in my school shop. The school shop. The building new is right there. I'm gonna get in number. Hold on, let me zoom it up. My phone is broke, the camera, so you couldn't see. 114/2, so I'm gonna take it the second garage door, so I'm gonna take there to fix it. Oh, it's cool, bro. What the heck? What you trying to take? Is it this? For the bag, I take to this. I put up here. This is the new tire of that. That's the new tire. So the new tire I put it on the back side. So like the number 17. Where is that? It's here. The number is 17, but the make and model is different. So this one put it. You can have here. So you have to open it up, and you can put it and fix. So I changed already, so I just replace it.